walkabout as the coach of Mamelodi Sundowns. So there's Mamelodi. Remember him formerly from the Lonsdale Golden Arrows, but that was a long time ago. We'll play from left to right, I beg your pardon. Head away, touch in there as well by Marcelo. Let's see some of the break of just 11 days. Nice little touch here in towards the Mamelodi. Danger averted by Bunjana. People in Flanders, that was against Richards Bay FC. And then, it won't draw. A goal from Stanley against Cape Spurs, an own goal. Peterson against Kaiser. Referee just making sure there's nothing untoward in that penalty area. Mr. Mambiso gives the okay. And then there's the knockdown, but player. But Ronaldo Pintier didn't have a heck of a lot of game time last season. He's played.
Just looking to make sure that he drives his team forward. Eliminate the doubt.
Suddenly, when you were a big fish in a small pond, now you're a small fish in a big pond. I think looking for a little bit more from I've been out in Mobile a couple of times this season so far. Patience as well as given it. Hello, Zabili Bili. He's got a reputation of his own. Derukutsia Zungula Abdel Munaim pause their thought for a moment because here comes the Zabili Bili.
Yes! Oh yes! 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 Nice!
That's the check pass and defend.
Teruk will be really disappointed at the way that he defended in that situation. TS Galaxy will be really happy. Look at that defense splitting pass from Sidney. That's the confusion we're talking.
That has been nearly 3 weeks now.
Easy door. Easy door.
Yes!
Yes! What's in there?
Yeah, once again, a great header there from Bunjane. Well delivered corner set piece there from Vidal. Finds Bunjane.
Lost in every 16 minutes. And Mamelodi Sundowns no man's land. It was no way he must thank each other.
Why should I send these little men at that game?
Social media platforms. Looking for the angles. GTX Galaxy, they're just moving as a unit. Awkward bounce of the ball. Communication giving the veterans. We're only a quarter of the way through this encounter. All concerned meeting the Roman pull the trigger. Reputation for Bobby. Free kick, it's a good one as well. The man who was on debut for TS Galaxy's first ever match in South Africa. Looks one way, passes the other, does Julie Mendieta, finds Naoma Yema. Yes! Lovely creativity from Marcelo Alende. From the back against this Mamelodi Sundowns. Was it Sanoka? I think it might have been the latter. Transfer out by Letsoenyo. Butui. Kulise. Noka. That's Butui. It's a left-footed player. Mendes takes his eyes off and steady take. Alende. Good first ball as well.
Yo,
Sundowns dressing room at half time. I know you're going down there. Couldn't you just sneak in? Listen to what Ronnie McGregor
Hey!
Dangerous with an elbow extended.
Now, Alende, Zungu, back towards Zunguris, Vidal with the pickup.
Keeper's ball.
It's a nice ball, you know. Doesn't quite reach Alende from Naomi. Half time in Mbombela. Alende takes it quickly. It's a lovely ball.
Yes.
Mendieta.
Ooh.
Good save from Twani. Mendieta has another bite of the cherry. No way. Tolo Alende, near post efforts. Backwards from Letsoenyo. Nice clearance. Kami Zungu, it's a good shimmy from him. Space for Mendieta. Naomi loses out to This time it's Mojang who's been held off the ball and more
To the crucial parts of the park, of course, and that's the final third.
Mendieta. Alende! The belief is back.
Fighting, they are back in it. Started the second half very well, opening exchanges, some combinations, and it had to be Alende. Mendieta, in the mix of it all, linking up with Alende, unleashes a powerful shot.
Leading by 2 goals at half time. Alende reduces that deficit by half, but Zungu is the latest man. Oh, straight red card! Up at the top of the ball. So from all the other cards in the finish, not a direct yellow like that.
Not a direct red.
That's broken. That is shocking. Ball nicely kept in play by Marcello Alende. The skill of this man is unbelievable.
Yes!
It's an easy save. The ghost takes time.
Please don't jinx it.
Unfortunately, the slip from Kibitz to make it into a bit of panic mode. And this Sundowns are not. You see just how professional they are. From Tevena Maseko.
But also the subs that have been implemented. It has really eliminated that outlet of a reference in Munchela or Sibilibili with the explosive pace, which then now changes how it is that they approach the second half.
There's a good little beat up here. Maseko.
In this instance.
Should be easy for Antoine. It's a lovely ball because it's curling away from the Rwanda. Oh, sleeping in the midfield. Great opportunity from Ghana. Cool. Maseko. Mendieta. The lengthy amount of stoppage time added on to the altar of this encounter because of the injury to Bernard. In the meantime, chance for a third goal. Mendieta positions himself. That to be good, and it is from Professor Zanoka. It's a good touch from Olibo Timongai. And Belasi.
It's a factor at these stages. Mbunjana could have had an option to just hold the ball and wait for support.
Serena pops up nicely for Rawatai. 3 minutes remaining. Alquina. Sereno. Well, Sereno.
Oh, first, into first. Into
Foul on the goalkeeper. can count it down if you like. It's 50 seconds now.
Sereno. Aye. That's
on Sereno. Saw the sort of drama between Barocca FC and Orlando Pirates in a league match.
Aibo! Logan!
Mamelodi Sundowns as well.
Once again,
I was up to the line. I was up last commentator. Uncool.
Mendieta also in the mix of things.
Uncool.
Mamelodi Sundowns throwing everything at it.
Hey,
The
you know
rocking
what
bomb.
it is, eh?
Good over the TS Galaxy.
Sundowns, yeah, she doesn't like it. The reality is, Gaston Sereno comes off the bench.
I see you.
A little touches from Gaston Sereno. The weight of the passes is so beautifully organised. And what sort of TS Galaxy are we going to see in the first half of next?
Fighting back.
Fighting back, I tell you what. Marcelo Allende, there's a touch here and a touch there, and Gaston Sereno from Mamelodi Sundowns point of view. It's a stretch for both of these teams.
Stretch for both of these teams indeed.
Oh!
Some of you won't be Google it. Free kick for Umpata. No, he's changed his mind. It's Lesorenio. It's a great header off in the midfield after the sending off of Bongani Zungu, and that's Polisi. So, are there game changers on the subs bench, or are the players out there the ones that are going to win this for either side? And if it does come down to penalties, the 90. This is Nasiba Nku. Oh, it's a lovely dummy from Nku. Space in the back post. Ball arrived quickly on Junior with another good ball. Samir Nurkic. Lende gets in the way and he shows a bit of acceleration as well. Past the Serbian. Still Lende. Oh, what a great challenge from the player opposition. 10-man opposition. Raquena. Bujana. Cut out by Mashego. The match that you and Shorty were commentating at the Bull Park Stadium as Silga goes in here and there's space for Sereno. Is that a handball? The referee says no. Sereno, Kulise, Wajba Nurkic. Goal at the final touch of time added on, and there were 7 minutes of it.
But those penalties.
Well, this is an opportunity to bury the ghost, so to speak. Nurkic not able to do the pickup. Here's a chance for Mbata. Lesuenyo. Once again, it's Mvelase. The boss remaining until we get to the end of the extra time period, and then it's penalties. Siladi with a nice touch. Siladi again, it needs a clearance. It didn't get a nice clearance from Maseko. Munyai. And suddenly it's TX Galaxy that are asking the questions. Maybe not with the same quality and pace of Mamelodi Sundowns, but they're still asking questions. Nurkic! Galaxy with 4 minutes remaining.
Pass up!
Offside.
Position inside of the TX Galaxy penalty. Are we going to see drama like we saw at the end of the first of the second half? And cleared away by Mamelodi Sundowns, who could possibly have penalties, and this is the last ditch effort. Nurkic goes off the crossbar!
How close there from Velase. He knew what he wanted to do. He had a little power. And that header directed it the right.
We'll have penalties to decide this in a moment tonight. Penalty shootout starts. You don't beat it at 2 to know, Peter.
Precision.
First penalty that Antoine will face the colours of the Rockets. Great save!
Oh, what a pain.
Yeah. Judged to be an own goal off this man. Trying to make amends.
Fortune does indeed play a good part.
Ready for a goal back here for Sundowns in the shootout. Gaston Sereno. Yep.
Yeah, Sereno goal.
Can he put that behind him?
Senta o Tcheli lejou, pô. Senta.
Penalty further in front. Oh, it's a raising penalty.
Sanogo takes a brilliant penalty.
Oh, sure, but I'm
To
cheesy.
keep Mamelodi Sundowns. Marcelo Lende. Can he finish it off on the spot? Yeah, he does.
Lende shows great composure.
Keep looking so
Match.
Hey,
All of them off the bench.
what them man.
What is team?
Can the Serbian score?
Oh.
Siladi just chooses to go the right way.
Outside!
It's the confidence for me. It takes his time. Munyai steps up. Lots of power.
Very, very focused team.
Worked so well in this Mamelodi Sundowns team. Great composure.
Strike away.
Every single penalty.
It's a sing!
Pressure now in off the spin.
Nokovic.
Can't imagine the sort of pressure they feel. He's a
Push it out.
Oh!
Wait, man.
Yes!
Wait, man.
Yes!